Hello everybody! It is Thursday night and you know our Thursday nights are our favorite. Hello Bam Bam! Hi! You say hi to everyone? What's your name? What is your name? Hi? No, what's your name? What's your name? Is your name Bam Bam? Yes, Bam Bam! Hello Phoenix! Hi! Hi! We got Princess playing over here. I think Monkey's in the tunnel. Yep, I feel her right here. Is she in the tunnel? I see a monkey. I see a monkey. Hello. Sammy, come here. We got something for you. And we got the lovebirds over here. We got Mr. Botten. And we got little Miss Mojo. Yes. You guys were very interesting last night, huh? And we got Baby eating his almonds. He's so happy. Sammy, come here. We got Tequila and Golda. And we got Angel and Mango. Hello, babies. And we got the Lopez family. We got Pepe and Lola and baby Diego. And Django just flew over here. And we got Polly. Hello, Polly. Sammy, come here. I got lettuce for you, honey. You're already getting the lettuce? That's for Sam. You want to take that piece? Go ahead, take it. Take the whole thing. Here. Take the whole thing. Go ahead. You got it. Sammy, come here. Sammy, I got lettuce for you. Come here. Sammy, come here. Sam, we got to take Bob away from you? Is that what we have to do? Come here. Come. Come, come, come. Come here. I got a surprise. I got a surprise. Whoa, yes. I just got you new lettuce tonight. Hi, Bam Bam. Hi. So we are having a good time here at the SharynZoo. Yum, bite it, bite it, bite it. What happened to your piece? What happened to your piece? You took a big piece. Now I don't know where it went. Yeah, you can have some of that, but I don't know where your big piece went. Hi, Bam Bam. Hi. Oh, I love this. You can just relax with the kids. No work tomorrow. How you doing over there with your almonds, huh? So we got a present. We got a present for you guys. Yes, we did. I'll show it to you in a minute. Here. Here, here, here. Yummy, yummy. We got a present from Eddie. And this is for Botten and the family. He hopes they enjoy the almonds. Eddie, thank you so much. Eddie gave them 2 bags. I'm sorry about my nail. I had to redo my nail. Didn't paint it yet. But he sent us Southern Grove almonds, oven roasted, unsalted for the kids. He sent 2 bags. Thank you so, so much, Eddie. They are going to love their almonds. So thank you, thank you, thank you. That is awesome. Is that good, Sam? Princess is playing with her toy. Cleo, you're so good at that. She's so funny. Here, Sam. Uh-oh, no! Oh, gosh, he took the end. Oh, God, please don't choke on it. Please don't choke on it. Please don't choke on it. Ah, and there it goes. He spits it right out. How funny is that? Ah, I get so worried when you get that out of my hand, Sam. I get so worried, but you're too smart. You are too smart. The whole piece just comes right out. You are such a smart boy. I don't know why I worry like I do. All right, guys. I almost, my heart skipped a beat. Hi, Mojo. You preening yourself? Hi. Oh, my goodness. You can clean up all the mess, Botten. Sammy, you want your bob back? Here. Here, Sam. Here's Bob. You can play with Bob now. You're done with your almonds? Made a nice mess here. You got one in your mouth. You still have one in your mouth. But look how full you are. You had so much almond. Look at you. What are you doing? You playing with it? You like the way it feels in your mouth? What are you doing with it? You're so cute, baby. You want it? What, is that an apple? That's not an apple. That's an almond. No, it's an almond. No, it's an almond. Silly birds. All right, guys. So we are going to say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels. Have an awesome day tomorrow. It's Friday. We're going to be sleeping in. You know that. That's what we do every single Friday. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Jingle. And I always look forward to my Fridays sleeping in with Sam in bed and watching TV. What are you doing? You want to go back up to Mojo? Oh, that's the big piece. I didn't know where it went. Now we know. Now we know. All right, guys. We love you so much, and we will see you sometime tomorrow. And again, have an awesome Friday, and have a wonderful rest of your evening tonight. Hi. Hi, Bam Bam. You want to say goodbye to them? You want to say goodbye to everyone? You want to come close? Hi. Yes, Bam Bam. Oh. Bam Bam. Oh, I love you. I love you. And what are you doing, Phoenix? You playing with Tequila and Golda? Huh? Hi, Bam. Hi. All right, guys. I'm going to go relax with my kids. Oh, there you are, Monkey. You came out, huh? You decided to come out of the tunnel. Hello, sweet angel girl. Oh. What are you doing? We got to say goodnight to everyone. We got to say goodnight. All right, guys. Again, we love you. Night, night, baby. You want to say bye-bye? Baby, baby, say bye-bye. No, say bye-bye. No, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Baby, say bye-bye. No, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No. Baby, you are just so stubborn. So stubborn. All right. Bye, guys. Monkey's watching TV. She's watching TV. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. The weirdest cat. The weirdest cat. Oh my goodness. All right. Night night.